What? Was any such sanction or guarantee given in the Quran or in the Hadith? In the Quran we have been told not about the Musalman. We are Musalmans, mind you. The word Musalman does not occur anywhere in the Quran or the Hadith. It is our own. It is of our own making. This is a term we have made for ourselves. The word Musalman is nowhere in the Quran and the Hadith. God has made no promise to the Muslim. Number one. God has also not made any promise to the Muslim. The word Muslim comes in the Quran. No promise to the Muslim. God has made promise only to the Mu'min. That is the only word used there. The believer. We say we are believers. Are we really? We have been told, لا تهنوا ولا تحزنوا وأنتم الأعلون إن كنتم مؤمنين. Do not lose heart against the heaviest trials, in the heaviest trials. ولا تحزنوا, and be never in a state of grief. You are bound to succeed in your undertakings on every front of life. In kuntum mu'minin, if you are mu'mins. Who is a mu'min? Well, I can go on to speak on the word mu'min for quite a long time. But because the time is short, I would like to make one point, one important point. Mu'min means one who believes in God, who believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and in his beloved Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam as his guide. He is a mu'min. Alright. And what is this iman? If I say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. What does it imply? Who is Allah? Allah is He who has created me and the entire universe. Allah is He who controls my life and that of the entire universe. Allah is He who is all-knowing. Allah is He who is present everywhere. Allah is He who is all-wise and all-powerful and so on. And Allah is He who has created me with a certain mission, who has made me into a spiritual and moral being, and who has laid down the law that on the day of judgment I will be judged. Every action of mine will be judged. مَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ. So the tiniest action on my part, even my feelings and my sentiments will be there on the tape recorder, right there, which will hang around my neck. This is Allah. I say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. God has said, God has forbidden me so many things. Don't do this. God has ordered me to do so many things. Do this, commanded me. I violate His commands with impunity. And I go on violating His commands. Do I really believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? The belief that I have is only a formal belief. It is not real belief. It is not genuine belief. And that's why the Quran has made the distinction between the Muslim and the Mu'min. Musalman, of course, no category, but between Muslim and Mu'min, it has made the distinction. قالت الأعراب آمنا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that these Arabs of the desert, they say that we have become mu'min. We are believers. Qul, O Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam, say to them, lan tu'minu, walakin qulu aslamna. You are not in the least believers. You are not believers at all. In any sense of the word, you are not believers. although you have borne witness, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasul. Walakin qulu, but say, Aslamna, we have become members of the Muslim community. Aslamna. We have become members of the Muslim community. وَلَمَّا يَدْخُلِ الْإِيمَانُ فِي قُلُوبِكُمْ, because your condition is this, that Iman has not entered your hearts. And this problem of Iman entering the hearts, Allahu Akbar, I should not be misunderstood, but I am going to say something very delicate. I must say it. There is a hadith, a well-authenticated hadith, in which we have been told that during that period of human history when Muslims will be downtrodden everywhere and they will be in a state of utter degradation and degeneration, in that period the Holy Prophet ﷺ told his Sahaba that the ulama of my ummah in that period will be the worst among God's creation on the face of the earth. His words are, Asharrul khalaiqi tahta adim as-sama. The ulama of my ummah at that time will be the worst in God's creation. Not to speak of us, of general Muslims. And the Sahaba asked, Sir, how will that be? He said, they will make beautiful speeches. They will recite the Quran beautifully, but their Iman will not go down their throats. So it is a problem of Iman going down the throat. If I as an alim do not possess that Iman and I come before you and I give you lectures, I am deceiving you. And I am in the category of worst of God's creation on the face of the earth. What about the general Muslims? They go about everything of their life, they just don't care. They don't care for their morals. They don't care for the clear-cut commandments given in the Quran. All those human values that have been given.